Hey boys and girls, here we are back kayaking on the north shore of Lake Erie near Colchester. I just want to show you what some people have resorted to fix their properties when they've lost so much land because of the high waters on the Great Lakes. And again, this is Lake Erie, but this is kind of looks nasty, but this is what some people have been doing with these mesh nets compared to doing it right with a proper break wall with a like a wavelet. A lot of these cottages are Americans. They've been damaged, but the Americans can't come across the border. So it's kind of nasty, but as you can see down there, there's different ways of shoring up your break wall, and some of these are just, quick, fix it yourself, do it as cheap as possible, I guess, until the Americans can get over here and fix the cottages themselves. But yeah, still a lot of damage with the high water here. They say the water's gone down a bit, but Lacey and Bella don't care. They say, hey Dad, take us out of here. And I'm like, Calgon, I need another drink.